Hi and hello everyone. My name is Sham and I'm the main programmer for this game Lost Tyre. So today I will present to you the gameplay and mechanics in this Lost Tyre. First is the player movement. User or player can do the movement by using the arrow button or ASWD button. Player can move to the left and also player can move to the right. And sometimes player also can jump and player also can slide down. Obstacle avoidance. In our game, there are two main obstacles, which are the stones and also the hurdle. Power up. When user collect the toolbox power up, the speed of the player will be double and they will run faster. And when the player collect the spanner power up, which is the purple one at the right side, player can add their health. So let's say if you see when player have 2 health, and then when they collect the spanner and they will get 3 health life. Surprise element. In our game, we implement surprise element by changing the environment randomly at any time. So sometimes the player will meet the portal, which they can maybe teleport to tunnel, and also portal to teleport to the desert. So there are two main environments here, which is the tunnel and the desert. So player cannot expect where is the portal located. So that is the surprise for this game. And when the health of the player below than 1, which is 0, so player will game over and the total score will be displayed. And the score will be collected and saved and displayed in the leaderboard.
Hi everyone, my name is Kah Hui. In this endless running game Lost Tyre, I have completed my part for the leaderboard and all the multiplayer setup. For the login part, I have integrated the Unity with the Telnet. Player can enter their name in the input field and then click the enter button. Then the register function from the API system will register the player information to the Telnet. After login, user can choose to have the single player or multiplayer game or view a leaderboard. This leaderboard also is the result of the integration of Unity and Telnet. A scroll wheel with the player data is required to display all the player ranking obtained from the Telnet database. Next to the multiplayer setup, first we need to connect to the master. Once connected, player can choose to create a room or join a room. If a player chooses to create a room, they will need to wait for other players to join their room before starting the game. If the player chooses to join the room, the player needs to confirm that the room ID is valid. After successfully joining the room, they need to wait for the main player to start the game. From the onJoin room function, all the player names will be displayed on the screen. Before starting the game, all the player needs to select their character. Once the player clicks the confirm button, the RPC function will pass a value to the master client to increase the number of ready. If the number of ready is equal to the photo network current room player count, then the start button will appear for the master client to start the game. Besides, if one of the players select a character, the character button on all player scene will disappear to prevent other players from choosing the same character. Then once the master client starts the game, player character will be instantiated at different spawn points based on their previously selected character. So that's all from my part.
My name is Afiq Rahman. We're developing a game called Lost Tyres. So using the same principle like the endless runners. So in this team, I was responsible for preparing and creating a user interface, meaning creating a better scenes, because Habib, How, and Darisyam already created the structures of the game, but it's look really basic and really simple. For example, this is the original main menu that was created by Darisyam, How, and Habib. So my main task is to prepare assets to make sure the interface is much more better looking. So for example, I created the asset using Adobe Illustrators. So this is some of the assets I have created. And then as you can see right here, this is the new interface for the main menus. Here, this picture right here, this is the original login scene that was created. So I enhanced the login scene using the asset that was created, the button, the background asset, the background pictures, and basically I applied the same thing for all the scenes. For example, the login here, the main menus, all basically have the same structures, same theme of the interface. So that's for me. So my name is Afiq Abdul Rahman. So I was responsible for UI scene. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Habib bin Zulkaffli. Jadi dalam segmen kali ini saya berperanan sebagai seorang game designer dan audio art. Jadi saya bertanggungjawab menyediakan prefab 3D modeling dan texture untuk prefab di dalam folder prefab ini. Jadi salah satunya seperti coin. Jadi coin ni bukan untuk player kumpulkan untuk mendapatkan skor. Di kami terdapat 3 jenis karakter di mana player boleh memilih salah satunya. Karakternya ialah Goody, Michelle dan yang terakhir adalah Yokoha. Satu game di mana dalam game ni terdapat environment jalan di tepi desert seperti ini. Jadi untuk environment ni saya menjadikan 8 task, di mana untuk task yang terakhir kami menjadikan satu surprise element di mana terdapat portal. Jadi player akan bertukar ke environment lain di mana environment itu player akan dibawa ke environment di dalam gua. Jadi ini salah satu surprise element yang kami sediakan. Dan untuk task yang terakhir juga saya menjadikan portal. Yang nampak ada portal. Di sini apabila player berlanggar, player akan bertukar semula ke environment yang sedia asal, di mana jalan di tepi desert. Okay. Kami juga menjadikan 2 jenis power up. Salah satunya ialah power up untuk menambahkan kelajuan karakter. Di sini bila player berlanggar dengan power up ini, karakter mereka akan bertambah kelajuan. Selain itu, kami menyediakan satu power up di mana player akan mendapat ekstra nyawa apabila berlanggar dengan power up ini. Jadi untuk obstacle, kami menyediakan obstacle ini dan obstacle yang lain. Selain itu, saya berperanan untuk menyediakan audio sebagai background music dan sound effect. Jika dilihat dalam folder audio ini terdapat background music, game music dan jenis-jenis sound effect lain seperti game over, countdown dan lain-lain. Rasanya itu saja untuk saya punya peranan sebagai game design and audio art. Sekian, terima kasih.